Task 2B, add a business bank or cash account, for example, petty cash or credit card accounts. So how the course book is going to connect with our zero course. So let me take you to the course book. So this is the course book which is going to in line with your zero videos. So the course book starts from here. So there is some important information, the golden rules of accounting, and the course highlights. This is the scenario, how the company is registered, when it's registered, what VAT scheme is using. So all the relevant information. Financial year starts from 1st April 2019 and ends at 31st March 2020. And you are required to complete this below task one by one. I have given a flow chart here just to help you to understand what you will be doing during the course. So let me take you through that. So this is the company, what we are working on. It's called DSK Properties Limited. There are two directors, which is also given in the scenario. They have some full-time employees. So you will be maintaining payroll on zero. Then there will be employees expenses, which they would like to reimburse from the company. For example, travel, food. So we will be putting some employee expenses receipts as we move ahead. Then there will be three main categories: suppliers, business banks, and customers. So supplier, obviously, when the company buys products or goods or services from other people, so they are the suppliers. So we will be putting purchase orders if there are any, purchase invoices which we have to pay after payment terms, purchase credit notes. So that is all about suppliers. Similarly, customers, so whom the company is providing services. So this is a property company. So the suppliers, customers will be mainly their tenants. So they are all commercial properties. So the people who are actually using their properties, that's their customers. So we will be posting sales orders, sales invoices, which will be rental invoices, and if there are any sales credit notes. In the business banks, there are mainly three bank accounts which we are using. So first is current account, which is the business main account, then credit card account, and petty cash for small expenses. So this is the flow chart I have also included on the course book. The next is, as we go one by one task, I will be adding screenshots with step-by-step guide, just in case if you miss that information on the video. So you can always go and refer on the course book. So this course book is in line with your videos. So this is the screenshot, as you can see, how to activate zero account. And I have highlighted the functions which you will be looking at, how to enter these. So these are the screenshot and step-by-step guide I have included. Now we are doing task 2B. Task 2A, we have already done that. And as you can see here, so 2A is virtual tour, which we have covered in the previous video. So the next task is add a business bank account, credit card account, or petty cash if they have it in the business. So as you can see here, just as an example, step one, select accounting. So I have already circled accounting here. So on the dashboard, select chart of accounts. So what you'll be selecting the next function and then say add bank account. So let me take you to zero now and let's add a bank account. And the bank is National Business Bank current account, and you make sure you use the account code 001. So let's go on zero. As you can see, we have already added the company here, and this is the dashboard. So let's say step one here. And if you really want to refer the course book, step one is select accounting. So it's very easy to follow. So to add a bank account, go on accounting, and here chart of accounts. So when you click on chart of accounts, you have a function here, add bank account. So click on that, and the name of the bank we would like to have on zero is, you can see on the course book, National Business Bank current account. So you can copy the name from here if that's easier. So copy and you can say paste. As this is, we have just created this name, this is not a real bank. Zero will give you the message. We could not find National Business Bank current account in the UK. And then at this stage, select the option add it anyway. So just select on add it anyway. And the account name is a business account. Account code. So if you go on your course book, the account code we must be using is 001. So it's 001. Account type, just say other. Sort code 123456. So you know this is not a real bank. 123456. Currency is GBP. Make sure if your business is having multi-currency, you can just select multi-currency by clicking this drop down arrow. But for that, you need to go into settings and select the currencies which you would like to add. And we have GBP here. So I'm just selecting GBP and say save. And if you go on your chart of accounts, you can see 001 business account has been added now. Let's do the similar stages for a business credit card account. And we are using account code 002. So same stages again. Let me take you through the dashboard. So into accounting, chart of accounts, add bank account again, because this is a credit card account. You can select, you can copy and paste from here. Copy, paste. And just select edit anyway. Again, this is not a real bank. We are just doing a demo version. So say edit anyway. This is a business credit card. Account code 002. So they just stay next to each other. And it's a credit card. 1234. Make sure it's GBP again and save. And if you want to make sure whether it's created, you can see here 002 is business credit card on your chart of accounts. And the last one we are using is a petty cash account. So let's add petty cash account as a bank account because company covers small expenses via petty cash account. So account code 003 this time. So dashboard, accounting, same steps, chart of accounts, add bank account and petty cash account. Same option and let's call it petty cash. It's up to you which name you would like to have it on the dashboard, which is easily you can identify by having the different names. Account code is given on your course book. Use account code 003. So let's select that. And we don't have the option, select other. Again, 123456 and GBP save. And let me show you how they look on. So they are next to each other. So it's easy to identify all the bank accounts when we give the code in serial order. So we have added 3 bank accounts And again, all the screenshots and instructions are given on your course book. So we have completed task 2